Hello everyone, welcome to Explore a Hop. For this example, we're told that the velocity of an object at time t is given by the function v of t, which is equal to negative t squared plus 4. And we're asked to find the total distance traveled by the object between t equals 0 and t equals 3. Let's first take a look at what the graph of this function looks like. So this is what the graph of the function v of t looks like. Notice that between t equals 2 and t equals 3, the velocity is negative, which means displacement is negative in this interval. So if we were to integrate the function over this interval, we will get a negative value representing the displacement. However, we want to find the total distance traveled, not displacement. So we will instead integrate the absolute value of v of t, and the absolute value of v of t represents the speed of the object. So the total distance traveled is equal to the definite integral from 0 to 3 of the absolute value of v of t dt. And subbing in v of t, this is equal to the definite integral from 0 to 3 of the absolute value of negative t squared plus 4. Now, we can apply the adjacent intervals rule for definite integrals. To get that, this is equal to the definite integral from 0 to 2 of the absolute value of negative t squared plus 4 dt plus the definite integral from 2 to 3 of the absolute value of negative t squared plus 4 dt. And notice that the function v of t is positive between t equals 0 and t equals 2. And v of t is negative between t equals 2 and t equals 3. So this means that in the interval from 0 to 2, the absolute value of negative t squared plus 4 is just equal to negative t squared plus 4. And in the interval from 2 to 3, the absolute value of negative t squared plus 4 is equal to negative t squared plus 4. Since v of t is negative in this interval, so this is equal to the integral from 0 to 2 of the function negative t squared plus 4 dt plus the integral from 2 to 3 of negative t squared plus 4 dt, which is equal to the integral from 0 to 2 of negative t squared plus 4 dt plus the integral from 2 to 3 of t squared minus 4 dt. Now applying the sum/difference rule and the constant multiple rule, this is equal to the negative of the definite integral from 0 to 2 of t squared dt plus 4 times the integral from 0 to 2 of t to the 0 dt plus the integral from 2 to 3 of t squared minus 4 times the integral from 2 to 3 of t to the 0. Now we apply the reverse power rule and then evaluate each of the antiderivatives we get. So this is equal to negative t cubed over 3 evaluated from 0 to 2 plus 4 times t evaluated from 0 to 2 plus t cubed over 3 evaluated from 2 to 3 minus 4 times t evaluated from 2 to 3. And this is equal to negative 8 over 3 plus 4 times 2 plus 27 over 3 minus 8 over 3 minus 4 times 3 minus 2, which is equal to negative 8 plus 24 plus 19 minus 12 all over 3, which gives us 23 over 3. So therefore, the total distance traveled by the object is 23 over 3 units. And that's it for this example. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next lesson.